LS Fabrication, when precision matters.
Hey YouTube, Chris Lang here from LS Fab. I want to give you a quick little tour of the shop, and this is what we do. Here at LS Fab we use the 36-inch Bailey Industrial power bead roller. It comes with a 110 volt variable speed pedal, and it can do 16 gauge mild steel. Another useful tool in the shop is our 48-inch pan and box brake. Its capacity is 16 gauge mild steel. Another cool gift that you get from LS Fab is for every order that you make, you get a matching Era Correct decal. All our products can be found on the website at lsfab.ca. Make sure you follow our Instagram and our Facebook. There's a link in the top right hand corner of your page. All right, there you have it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.